Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. My name is Save with Crypto, and I'm going to talk about MEXC today. MEXC is an exchange that I used a few years ago. I didn't use it a lot, but it was quite handy for trading things that you can't really find anywhere else. So I'm going to take a look at it again. MEXC have been kind enough to give me a futures bonus of 500 USDT, which is great. And I'll show you how you can get a bonus later in the video. Now at this point I should mention that MEXC isn't available everywhere. In fact, the allowed regions are Latin America, including Mexico, Europe and Asia, Oceania, so Australia, New Zealand, etc. Prohibited countries do include the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom. I'm able to use it in the UK. I think that's because I did my KYC with my Palau ID a couple of years ago, so I think that was allowed then. It seems to be okay now. I do occasionally get a nag screen saying your region isn't supported, and I just go like ignore, so that seems to be okay. So if you're in the States, Canada, United Kingdom, China, Singapore, North Korea, Cuba, Sudan, Syria, Iran, Russia, Ukraine or Hong Kong, you won't be able to use MEXC. So I suppose I should check if I actually can use this. I am in the UK at the moment. I'm actually in Watford actually. I'm away again for the weekend. I'll be going home on Monday. So let's have a look in the wallet. Oh, okay, there's $500 there. That's great. So I assume that's in the futures account, is it? Yeah, it is indeed. Okay. Well, that's great. That appears to be my bonus. So let's see if we can trade it. Okay, so we've got a BTC USDT pair. So it does actually look like we've got USDT, USDC pairs and BTC USD. I guess that's inverse perpetual contracts. Okay, well that's cool. It's good to know we've got all that. So let's try a little trade. It's probably okay to do a small test right now. So I'm just going to take a quick look here on TradingView at the BTC USD pair, and I'm going to put on our indicator, which is called Quadzilla, to get an idea of the way the price is going to go. Okay, so it seems we've got a couple of retracement levels here, a bullish one here at 76.37 and a bearish one there at 76.46. So I suspect what will probably happen in the near future is the price will go up to there and then probably reject and come back down and go to there. So I think right now we could try a very risky long position and just hope that the price goes up a few dollars. So let's do that. Okay, so you want to be careful with this because now apparently there is available, if you want it, up to 500x leverage, which is absolutely insane. I'm going to leave it on 10x because that's much more safer. And let's just try a small long. Let's do a limit order. I like to pick a price out of the order book down here. So there you go, 78,408. And let's just use quarter of the amount. Open long. Okay, that all looks good. Okay, so that sets the order there. That's good. We should be able to see that here as well. Okay, so let's see if that one fills now. Okay, so indeed that did fill. So what you could do now, I guess we can just set a take profit just by dragging that thing up there. And I guess we can probably do a stop loss in a similar way, like that. Okay, so it's actually Tuesday, May the 5th now. I'm back home, and yeah, it all went pretty well actually. That trade I did on Sunday, that hit the take profit and it made about $10. And then I re-entered. So at the moment, you know, I'm using all the margin there. My entry is 797.30. The current price is 81,250. So I'm actually 19% in profit, which is like $96. So I think my overall wallet should be, oh yeah, okay, so 607 USDT. So I've made about $107 since Sunday. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? So why should you use MEXC? Okay, well the obvious thing is you can get $30 for free. Literally all you have to do is deposit about $100 worth of something there, and achieve a trading volume of $1,000, which is super easy. Literally just one trade will probably do that, and then you get $30 for free, and that's until the 17th of May. So scan that QR code and just do it. So once you've opened your MEXC account, which you can also do, by the way, by going to savewithcrypto.org/MEXC. I'll put a link in the description anyway. And then you can just go to deposit here, and probably the easiest way is to do an on-chain deposit if you have crypto already. If not, you can do it with a debit or credit card with 0 fees. You can use Apple Pay or Google Pay. You can even do peer-to-peer trading. So for example, if you want to just do a on-chain deposit here, you just go there and then select whatever crypto you fancy. So say something like USDT, and then just choose a network. I normally choose the cheapest one, which is usually something like Aptos, and then make your deposit to that address there. So that's super easy. If you want to withdraw your crypto, you can just go here and just accept that, and then you can select your crypto and withdraw it to wherever you want. So the kind of trade I was doing there was USDT perpetual futures one, so that means it's settled in USDT. If you want as well, you can do one in USDC, the Circle stablecoin, and you can also do Coin M, where you could, for example, have Bitcoin, do a trade, and then end up with more Bitcoin. So the actual trade is settled in Bitcoin. There's also this prediction market thing here, which I haven't used yet, but that looks interesting. Grid trading bots you have there. You've got this AI copy trade as well, which is something that I might explore later as well. You've got a demo account if you want to just practice. And you can also do like these 0 fee oil futures and stock futures as well, which is definitely something that I will explore more. So there you go, pretty good platform, nice exchange to have under your belt, and you get $30 for free just by depositing $100. Seems like a no-brainer to me. The only drawback is it's not available in every country, so please do check that it is available in your jurisdiction. So why not claim your free $30 bonus right now? Do it today. Just scan that QR code or go to savewithcrypto.org/MEXC. So above all, do tell your friends and watch this. Please note that this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. Any information or opinions provided are not guaranteed to be accurate or complete. Always conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. A full legal disclaimer is in the description of each video and live stream.